Hello and welcome back to your Pilates channel. We're doing a really easy and short class today, but that doesn't mean that it's challenging, okay? We're working about abs, but in a different way. Commonly, pregnants are not able to do flexions or anything is related about like the rectum abs, okay? So we're doing a different way of doing abs and pregnancy friendly, okay? We start with cat and cow to mobility. Take a deep breath. Exhale, press belly in. And we do it for 10 times. And 1, 2, 3, 4. We do one more. And then we stay on the center, land the spine, not doing any movement, trying to maintain shoulders and hands in the same line, knees and hips and the same also. You want to just to practice your Pilates breathe, okay? Release the air. It's about also not all the time tightening the core. It's about to learn to relax it. Relax, distend, let it go. Take a deep breath. And when you're ready, exhale through your mouth. Tighten the core. Deep breath. 1. Exhale. You want to maintain a good posture here. 1 more. Exhale. And now trying to breathe here, maintaining the activation on the abs. Stay there. Breathe from your ribs and not moving the belly. 3 more. 1, 2, and 3. Careful with your head. You don't want to let it go down. You want to keep the spine in the same line. Here, we're in an easy position, but that doesn't mean that it has to be released or relaxed. It should be active. From here, you need a cushion. We all have a cushion in our homes. Tighten between your legs, and we're doing bears. Tuck the toes. Stay there for a second. Deep breath for relaxing the abs. Exhale. Tight the core and also lift the knees. Separate from the floor. Tiny bit. And stay there for 3, 2, 1. Relax. Stay there. We're going to repeat this 5 times, okay? So try to hold it, this 3, 2, 1 counting. And if you need, just take a rest. Ready? We're doing for the next one. Take a deep breath. Exhale. And lift. And 3, 2, 1. Tie your cushion also. And release. 1 more. 3, 2, 1. Down. There is 2 more left. And ready. Tie the core. This is the most important part of the exercise. Tighten the core before to start. Exhale. Lift. Now this time for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ooh, that was a good one. Next one is for 10 also, okay? Deep breath. Take your time. And 1 more. Prepare yourself and lift. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Down. Take the cushion out. You don't need it for a second. Take a deep breath here in bull. Rounding the back, stretching your arms, send forward. Come back to 4 points. For the next exercise, you might need to step out from the mat because you need a slippery surface. Or I can give you another option. From here, start in a low lunge. One leg forward, send your other leg really back, place your hands, take a deep breath, exhale, lift the back leg, stay there. Now, get ready. You're gonna bring your hips towards the sky. Meanwhile, you lift the forward leg. I know it sounds funky, but it's just doing this simple movement. Bring the leg. Meanwhile, you lift the other leg. And then you come back. Release and going down and up for a standing. Exhale, come back for this lunge. Inhale, lower down your hands and repeat. Take a deep breath. Bring the back leg. Exhale, 1. Slip and up. Now you change the leg. 1 forward. Back with the other. Exhale, lower down your hands. Stay there for a second if you want to stretch. This is really nice. And when you're ready, place your palms completely on the floor. Start bringing your back feet. Lift the right one. Come back and stand up. One more time. Exhale down. Inhale, bring the back leg. Lift the forward one. Exhale, lift, down and stand up. You can rest here, just wide open and do a nice stretch. Maybe do some torsions, find your opposite ankle. Exhale down and change. Take a deep breath. Find your 4 points again. We stay a little bit here. So bring the cushion back. We're doing bird dogs, okay? But we want to work our hip abduction and my core. Keep in mind that you want to squeeze and maintain this middle line all the time, okay? Meanwhile, you breathe. You're going to start with only moving your arms. Remember, this is about core work, so focus on the breath, not about the movement. Deep breath. Exhale, squeeze your hips. When you exhale, lift one hand and maintain 3 times. Deep breath. 2. One more time. Don't collapse. 3. Stay there. Now, change your hand 3 times. Deep breath, relax. Exhale. You want to squeeze your glutes, squeeze the hips, squeeze the core. Okay, ready for the other side? Deep breath. Exhale. Squeeze. And now lift. 1. 2. 3. Exhale down. Maybe you walk forward with your hands, ears between your arms, and stretch a little bit here. Deep breath in. And we're changing. We're doing to a lateral plank assisted. That means that we're gonna keep the base leg on the floor. You can use hands or forearms, okay? I wanted to squeeze in a really good line my cushion. And when you're ready, just lift. You want to maintain hip abduction and squeeze and good core. Don't collapse the shoulder, just maintain everything active. And send one hand towards the sky. And exhale. Tie the core. And 1, 2, and 3. Now we're just doing sending the hand towards my trunk. Come back. There is 3 times. 2. Keep pressing with that hand. And 3. Now sit and change. You can send the legs forward and do the other side. Prepare yourself. Quality of the posture here. Shoulder away from my ear. Squeezing my legs between the cushion. And lift from the hips and the glutes. Send the arm towards the sky and breathe here. 3 times, exhaling, activating the transverse. Another one. And the last one. 3 times. Cross. 1. Cross. 2. And cross. And 3. Good. Now sit, send the cushion away, we don't need it anymore, and find your back on the floor. We're doing marches and a bridge, okay? So we need to activate the glutes, pelvic tilt, and exhalation. So inhale, exhale, lift. Practice this exhalation first. Squeeze. Close. And lift. Maintain the glutes on the same line and prepare yourself for 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now we do 4 lift. Down, up. 1, 2, squeeze the glute. 3 and 4. Now release. We're done with the class. Bend the knees, bring it to your chest. Maybe if your belly is bigger, you can just wide open or stay here. Soles together, knees resting. And if you feel okay, maybe doing a happy baby pose here. Bend the knees. Stretch your body. Exhale. And relax. Now slightly start taking your body to your lateral right side and come back to a seated position. So this was all for today. Thank you very much for being here and giving your time, and see you in the next class.